Why, Chef Ben? You just keep getting yelled at by your dad. Like, he says he wants to go see his, dad and mom, your grandparents. Wait, Grandpa and Grandma? I want to go see them. Okay, well, come on and get in the car because also your friends are coming for some reason. I don't know why. Your dad just wanted them to go to Texas. So, let's go. Yay, Grandpa and Grandma. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go, Chef Peepers.
Okay, guys, okay, let's go. Oh, wait. Oh, all right, you guys are all in here. Okay, let me start the car. Let's go. Guys, we're running out of gas. Wait, what? Then go pull over on that road. Wait, Chef Pee-Pee, what happened? Yeah, what happened? I don't know. I think the car broke down. Chef Pee-Pee, are you serious? Wait. Okay. Focus. Wait, Chef Pee-Pee, are we stranded? I don't know. Wait, well, since we're staring at a barn road, who wants to go down the barn road and seek some help? Oh, wait, I'll go. I'm gonna go too. Don't, oh my gosh, I said don't slam the door. Hello? I'm pretty scared. Oh my gosh. Okay, just keep calm. I'm gonna find some help. What's that noise? On this dirt path. I don't know where I'm going. So creepy. Gosh, I don't know where anything is. What is that? Ah! I think I'm safe in here. I think I'm safe. Ah! How do you feel getting up here?
One hour later.
Chef Pee-Pee, should we be worried? Why should we be worried? Well, they haven't been back in a while. It's been a long time. Should we all go out there? He's right. So what should we do? Okay, Basil, I'll tell you what to do. How about you go check the engine to see if anything's wrong with it? Whatever. Let me check this. I can't even open this. I don't know how a car works. You know what, Chef Pee-Pee? I don't want to hear it! Come on, why do you keep doing this, Junior? You don't know how to start a car! You're stupid! You made my dad go out there, and now he can't start a car! You're so stupid! Stop! Does it really take this long to freaking check an engine? Okay, Junior, come with me. We're gonna go look for your dad. Okay, I'll follow you. Junior, where is Bowser? I don't know. It's pretty freaky. Whoa, what was that? What was that? What was that? No. Ah! Calm down. It's okay. His name is Leatherface. Leatherface? Yeah. All right, Leatherface, sit down right there. I'm gonna go make the food. So what do you do for a living?
Well, I do a lot of work at banks and stuff. I'm a teller, actually. There's some other things I do. I like to help out in the community. There's some things I like to do, I don't know, just in town. I'm in the council. We kind of make some decisions, on roads and things like that. But...
Okay, it's the best time. We have to kill Junior.
What?
Cut his head off!
Susan!
I gotta get out of here right now. I gotta go. Come on, I gotta go. Okay, that was just a dream. Whew.